Hello, my name is Crystal. My work role with people who are diagnosed with mental health conditions have been in an elementary essential academics classroom. I've previously worked with kinder through third. This year it is kinder through first grade. And a lot of these students are diagnosed as having autism, some with Down syndrome, some have been diagnosed with ED, and a lot of them are nonverbal. My beliefs on mental health diagnosis, I think for some people it can be devastating to get that diagnosis, and for others it becomes their whole identity. They like cling to it. And I think sometimes getting a diagnosis can lead to being medicated when it's a natural reaction to a life event, like the death of a loved one or giving birth, postpartum blues. I think a lot of times these people are medicated instead of being allowed to work through their feelings through these life events and then never reevaluated, so they stay medicated, whether that diagnosis is still relevant for them or not. I have not participated in diagnosing anybody. My job does not allow for that in any way. I'm hoping with internships or future jobs, I will be able to do that. I'm really looking forward to this class. Sounds very interesting.